Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we are exploring SPY in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on the 9th of October, 2024, and now we are here to offer an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain updated on our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.6. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.64%. This equates to an average return of 0.33% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently situated in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further growth within this trend. The 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 4.82% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 2.49% to positive 7.20%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 30.40% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 22.67% and 35.15%. In monetary terms, this translates to a price range of approximately $707.96 to $780.01 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Wednesday trading session. The SPY ETF price increased by approximately 0.693% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of October, 2024. The price rose from $573.17 to $577.14. During this trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.90%, ranging from a low of $572.55 to a high of $577.71. The price has shown an upward trend, rising in 6 of the last 10 days, and is up by 1.25% over the past 2 weeks. However, it's important to note that trading volume decreased by 110,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 35 million shares being traded for approximately $20 billion. This decline in volume, despite rising prices, may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the ETF was $577.71, while the lowest price stood at $409.21. Currently, the price is 0.1%, or approximately 56 cents, below the 52-week high of $577.71, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The recent news surrounding the SPY exchange-traded fund highlights several factors that could influence stock prices in both the short and long term. The employment report released earlier this month revealed the addition of 254,000 jobs in September, far exceeding expectations. This robust job growth points to a resilient economy, potentially bolstering investor confidence and driving up stock prices in the near term. Additionally, the ongoing debate over economic conditions, particularly regarding the possibility of a recession, presents a mix of sentiment in the market. The uncertainty surrounding recession predictions can lead to volatility, influencing investor behavior as they adjust their portfolios accordingly. There's also significant interest surrounding investment strategies, including the diversification benefits offered by midstream companies, and the potential appeal of blend exchange-traded funds as interest rates remain stable. These investment vehicles could attract both growth-oriented and income-seeking investors, supporting a more stable demand for the SPY. Furthermore, the discussion about the valuation of stocks in the S&P 500 highlights concerns over potential bubbles in certain segments, particularly related to artificial intelligence companies. However, the current valuations suggest that there may be opportunities for investors to buy in at favorable prices if we see a regression to historical norms. Over the long term, sustained economic strength and prudent investment strategies may contribute to overall market stability and growth. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF is currently showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is anticipated at 570.92 and 562.77. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and the stock has since increased by 11.55%. Further upward movement is expected until a new top pivot is established. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivot suggested a buy signal 47 days ago. Bollinger provided a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 37 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 219 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss for SB. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $543.01 and $532.90. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $543.01. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $532.90 and $517.38. Generally, the fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. During the last day, the fund moved $5.16 between high and low, or 0.90%. Over the last week, the fund has seen a daily average volatility of 0.85%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $543.01. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $557.86, reflecting a decline of 3.34%. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF, exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that occurred 46 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment choice? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable likelihood that the SPY ETF could perform well in the near term. Consequently, we have updated our assessment from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy rating. Upon analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of October, we anticipate the SPY to open lower by $1.34, starting at $575.80. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.